Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last week and how the silver price can move in this particular week. See, if we look at this chart, we can see that the price of silver was moving in a very volatile way. If you look at this chart, it made a low as well as came up, okay, and moved in this particular range. Okay, so this range break downside and was in this particular range, so there is high chances this is the range it has come. So once this range breaks downside, we have seen that there is a sharp fall and now the price of silver is moving in this particular range. So what we can expect here? If you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is. Okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description. See, look at this chart. It is a U pattern is forming, so there is high probability that, look at this, that once this range is break, I've already told my previous video that this is the range, a narrow pattern is forming here. So once this range is break, we can see there can be a sharp rise in the price of silver. See, look at, I am making a trend line. You can understand with the help of the trend line, and see, this is the trend line which has, and there is a breakout we have seen at this level. If you check my previous video, I have told that there can be a chances you can buy at a level of above 26, and if it goes below a level of 25.5, you can sell the positions. Okay, but these are all my personal view. Please consult a financial advisor before investing or trading. See, look at this pattern. If you look at this pattern, suppose if the price of the silver moves above a level of 26.17, then there is chances it can touch a level of 26.29, and then from there it can touch a level of 26.53. Once 26.53 is touched, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 27.30 also, and once 23.30 is touched, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 27.51. okay, once 27.51 is touched, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 27.78. okay, suppose if it comes again below in this particular range itself, and there is, suppose if it breaks a level of 25.91, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 25.81. from there it can touch a level of 25.69. once 25.69 is such, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 25.54, and if it goes below that level, then we can see, because this level is already tested here, so once if it goes below that this level 56, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 25.34 and to a level of 25.19. okay, if it goes below that level, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 24.99. okay, so once this level is touched, so what we are waiting here is that, suppose if it goes below a level of 25.91, then we are looking for a target of 25.79 to a level of 25.68, and then if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 25.54. once 25.54 is touched, then we will be looking for a target of 25.21, and then from there the next support we can see is at around 25.03. okay, 24.98. okay, these are the support. Or if it has already crossed upside, so what we are looking for an upside target is 26.22, and from there we can see a level of 26.28, and then if it goes above that level, then we'll be looking for a target of 26.50. once 26.50 is touched, then there is chance it can touch a level 26.64, and from there it can touch a level of 26.81. once 26.81 is touched, then there is chances it can touch a level of 26.95, and after 95 it can touch a level of 27.11. once 27.11 is touched, then there is chances that it can make touch a level of 27.45 to a level of 27.56. okay, and after touching 27.56, it can touch a level of 27.68 also. okay, and then we can see that it will come in this particular range. So once this range is break upside, we can see further move in the price of silver. okay, but in the next week I would suggest that if it goes above this level 26.49, then we can see a level of 27.13 also, and if it touches that level, then we can see a level of 27.43 to a level of 27.87. okay, once 87 is touched, then we can see a level of 28.33 also, and then can make a new high. So hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, you can mail me. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.